Cherry is the dream family. Kamusta kayo guys? So the weather today is really nice. We're on the way to the park. Yan. So naglalakad kami guys. So papunta kami ngayon sa park ng school. Ang ganda ng weather today. As in, super sunny ngayon. Kaya sasamantalahin natin habang maganda yung panahon. So, ayun. So, salamat po sa lahat ng mga nag-subscribe sa 11 subscribers. Thank you so much, guys. We're so happy na part kayo ng journey namin sa YouTube. And, medyo awkward kasi first vlog ko today. Pero, carry lang. Sige lang. Nag-aantay na yung dalawa kong anak. Tatlo sila. Ayun yung dalawa. So, maglalakad kami ng mga 15 minutes papunta dun sa park. Ang ganda ng weather talaga. Sandals, naka-sandals na rin kami ngayon. Naka-sneakers na, hindi na boots. Ayan. Ay, so nandito kami sa park ngayon. Ang ganda ng panahon, oh. Talaga nakaka-in love. Ayan, ito po yung park. Isa sa mga sign na actually dapat spring na ngayon eh. Kaso ay nung March pa sana, kaso nag-snow. Ang isa sa mga sign na magiging mainit na ay magtutubuan yung mga yellow green na dahon. Ayan. Sa lawak-lawak na. Malapit lang ito sa amin, guys. Mga 6 minutes walk. Ayan. So, ayan. Hayaan ko na si babaitang tumakbo. Go, Sirin. Follow, Manong. Go. Go, Baba. You can run. Run. Go towards the park. You wanna swing? Yeah. Okay. Ayan. Malawak dito, as in super gandang tumambay lalo pag ganitong maganda yung panahon. Ayan o. Ayan, iniwan na nga ako. Kaloka. Ayan guys. Ayan. At bakit umupo tong babaitang to? Napagod ba to? Where did you sit down? Huh?
Because I'm busy.
Oh, come on, let's go to the swing. Come on, here. Yan. Ayun yung maliit na playground. Yung junakis ko. Yan, mga anak.
Hello?
Ayun guys, dito na kami sa park. Ayun yung maliit na park. As in, super luwag dito. Sarap. Minsan pag summer, nagpipiknik talaga kami dito. Bibili kami ng pagkainan din. Muupo lang kami doon sa tuktok doon. I see we know. You have to get up. Get up, Baba. No. Ayun siya. Ninunahan na ako ng babaita. Ayun siya ngayon. Pa-slide daw siya. Okay, go up. Go up, go. Or you wanna swing? Ayan, favorite niya talaga mag-swimming. Say hi.
Hi.
Okay, come on.
Yeah.
Ayan, so siniswing siya ng kanyang kuya, guys. Okay na, that's enough, anak. Wee! Say hello.
Hello.
Ayan yung pangalawa ko. Tapos yung panganay ko, ayun, may sarili na namang mundo. Ayun, nasa akit ng puno. Nasa taas ng puno, I mean.
I.
Yan, tatlo na silang nagsiswing.
Going down.
Ayun yung panganay ko, pangalawa, sa inyong bunso. Naka-jackpot sa babae, guys. Yan. Come on, swing. Whoever will do higher, I will.
I'm not trying to go
I
higher.
will. Whatever. I will cook good food later.
But that has to go through everybody. Otherwise, you're just making the tiny little back to the mountain. Bring me more. Completely worthless.
Why?
What do you mean? You're the one who said okay.
It's okay. Just leave it there for now.
Hear the thing that I didn't even say okay. Yes, you did. You probably
Just
did.
leave it there for now. It's
No,
okay.
I never said okay.
Hi. Hello.
Well, I was bicycling. You were supposed to be playing soccer. So, yeah.
Oh, come on, let's play. Let's play badminton. Guys, mag-i-slide daw si Babaita. Hi. Wow, you're so brave. Go. I'll wait for you down. Go. Good girl. Good job. Go. Go, I'll wait for you. But when you slide, don't hold on the sides, okay? Let go. Yan na siya, guys. Come on. Sit down, sit down. Don't hold on to the side. Okay, come on. Let go, let go. Remove your hand. Okay, come on. 1, 2, 3, come. Come on.
Mommy, catch me.
Yes, I will catch you. Come on. 1, 2, 3, go. Come on. Calm down. Bilis, come now. I'll catch you. Remove your hand. You will have awi here on the arm. Come on. Come on, remove your hand there and come down. Yeah, I'm going now.
No,
Then come down now.
catch me.
Yes, come down. Yes, come on na. Sirin, say hi.
Hi.
Snacks muna kami, guys. Habang naglalaro yung dalawa.
Score for me. Hey, you don't score like that. Out.
What is this?
I'm fast. Make it fast than that. I like it when Madam starts. I read all about it.
Of course, Baba, it will fly away. Ito guys, naghabol siya ng ibon.
Iwap!
Tinakbuhan siya ng ibon.
Mommy, the bed walk.
Yeah.
And it's like away. Mommy, I learned it. Mommy, he's dead. It's dead. He's dead, Mommy.
Hmm?
He's dead. Mommy.
Din sila sa soccer.
Yo.
Yung babaita naglalaro ng stones. Stones ka naman, Baba? Stones ka naman? Yung mga gopher, nagtatakbuhan. No?
Okay, you're going. Go in between those trees. That's not good either. Okay, you go a little more further than that. More? Decenter or going? I'm decent. Yeah, I'm going. One more back. There. 3, 2, 1. Oh, frick.
Laro din daw siya, guys. Nainggit siya sa kuya niya. Nakahanap na nga sila ng ano. Naglalaro ang tubig. Oh, Lord. Shh. Where did you go? Did you wet your feet? Naku, itong dalawang to guys. May snow pa rin eh. Ayan. Makahanap sila ng nagmelt na snow. What is in there?
My boat.
Hala,
What? It's just nothing.
it's cold.
No. Maybe. What's Serene?
There.
Where? Okay, they're gonna collide with the continent.
Hi. Hello, Sirin. What are you doing?
I want to play basketball.
And that's a soccer ball. No, but it's dirty. Guys, hanggang dito na lang muna kami at kami uuwi na. See you again next time. Bye! Say bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye. Say bye.
Bye, guys.